Ryan, we're in the middle of an incredible transformation. Autonomous robots are advancing faster than ever before. The industry is exploding beyond traditional assembly lines. Robots are now tackling complex, independent tasks we used to think only humans could do.
Yeah, Jenny, that's fascinating. I've heard about humanoid robots, the ones that can adapt and respond to unexpected situations almost like people do. It's amazing to think of a robot that doesn't just follow instructions but can actually solve problems in real time.
You know, robots actually have their roots in the automobile industry. Back in 1913, Henry Ford made a massive breakthrough that changed everything. He rolled out the world's first moving assembly line at his Highland Park plant in Michigan, and that move completely transformed car production. Suddenly, cars were being built faster and way cheaper. Ford's system didn't just shake up the car industry. It revolutionized manufacturing everywhere and kick-started the whole age of mass production.
Totally. But here's the cool part. Robots today aren't just mindlessly following set instructions like they used to. Now they can actually adapt if something unexpected happens. Imagine, if there's an issue in a car's production line and the robots can adjust on the spot to fix it, instead of just passing along a car with flaws, that would be cool. That kind of adaptability is a game changer.
Well, I don't know whether robots can already perform tasks with that kind of adaptability and accuracy. But you bet. Autonomous robots are finally getting closer to acting like us. They're not just repeating tasks anymore. They're actually making real-time decisions and adapting to their surroundings. And that's all because of integration of artificial intelligence.
That's right, Jenny. With artificial intelligence advances, especially in generative models, robots are becoming much more than repetitive task doers. They're becoming general-purpose helpers, capable of understanding natural language and adapting in real time. Robots can now take on interactive roles that require real problem-solving.
Yeah, the concept of general-purpose robots is super exciting. Companies are investing heavily in creating humanoid robots that can work in spaces meant for people. The humanoid robot market will hit $38 billion by 2035, with production picking up as early as 2025. And it's not just Western companies. China's pushing for mass production of humanoids too.
There are some groundbreaking artificial intelligence systems out there. Google DeepMind, for example, developed something called AutoRT, which uses advanced language and visual models to help robots interpret their environment and figure out what tasks to tackle next, all autonomously. That provides these robots the ability to do tasks beyond set routines. They're actively thinking about the next steps.
That reminds me of a breakthrough, Ryan. A team of researchers from Massachusetts Institute of Technology developed a generative AI approach to train a robot dog to navigate complex terrains and maneuver around obstacles in real-world environments. Did you know that?
No, Jenny, I didn't know that. What did the MIT researchers develop exactly?
Well, they have developed a system called Lucid Sim. That's used to train robots to navigate real-world terrains by first teaching them in a virtual environment. It's like giving robots a practice ground that mirrors the unpredictability of the real world.
Wow, that's ingenious. So instead of robots just learning from trial and error in the real world, they're mastering their skills in a virtual setting first. How does Lucid Sim pull that off?
They're using generative AI along with a physics simulator. Here's how it works. They start by prompting ChatGPT to describe all sorts of environments. Everything from outdoor weather scenarios to intricate obstacle courses. These descriptions are then turned into 3D environments, complete with trajectories for the robots to follow. The robots basically train themselves to handle these challenges virtually before being tested in real life.
That's incredible! Imagine! A robotic dog learning to clamber over boxes, climb stairs, and adapt to anything it comes across. The possibilities are endless. This could completely transform industries like disaster response, search and rescue, or even delivery systems.
Exactly. That's really impressive. Traditional training systems work in controlled environments, but they often fall short when a robot encounters something unexpected. Lucid Sim bridges that gap by helping robots learn to deal with novelty in virtual settings and apply those lessons in the real world.
I love how generative AI plays such a central role here. It's not just creating environments, it's crafting tailored challenges for the robots. And when you combine that with advanced physics simulation, you get training that's incredibly realistic. We are entering an era where robots won't just be tools, they'll become true collaborators, all thanks to systems like Lucid Sim.
And it's only the beginning. As these training models improve, we might see robots performing tasks we can't even imagine yet. It's an exciting time for robotics and humanity as a whole.